The basic requirement for the development towards e-mobility is to be able to charge a car in a few minutes. So loading as we know it from a refueling process. With our high-power charging technology, the charging infrastructure is ready. The base for these HPC applications are reliable, robust, safe and innovative products. Responding to the requirements of the automotive industry, we started developing our HPC technology for ultra-fast charging already in 2014. With know-how and experience, we offer our customers and partners a comprehensive range of products, components and services for the installation of HPC systems. Because with us, you receive everything from one source. From cooled, intelligent DC charging cables for the European and North American market, we are a panel feed-through with defined interfaces for communication and power, a DC charging controller, touch panels, surge protection and many other components. But also a cooling unit consisting of a cooling unit or heat exchanger suitable for your installation space. The power of the fast charging station comes from the DC power electronics. The flexible power modules are perfectly matched to the requirements of the high-power charging processes for maximum operational safety and energy efficiency. Together with our customers and partners, we stand for the worldwide expansion of high-power charging infrastructure. Contact us. We are looking forward to work with you.